everyone, I'm Katie. Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome as well. This is another week of our Faith Planner layouts. So I'm sorry I didn't have a poll this week. This was one of the busiest weeks that I've had. I don't know, there's just a lot. I spent time with friends and had some 2 days of reading sprints on my other YouTube channel. So it was quite a lot. So I'm sorry there was no planner poll, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up my planner poll for the following week. I'm going to actually do this week's planner layout and then post my poll right after. I think that might help me out a little bit more because I normally post them on Wednesdays. And I think just Wednesdays I tend to forget because I'm doing my Bible journaling videos. I'm doing other videos, so I kind of forget. So we're going to go ahead and just do my planner polls for the following week the same day as I actually do last week's poll. So, all right, so this week, since we didn't have a poll, I decided to go ahead and just use my Faith sticker book. Nothing extra because there's a lot of cute stickers in here that I like to use today, as well as my cross washi tape. So I will link the Faith sticker book down below. Probably not the cross because I really don't remember where I got it. Most likely Hobby Lobby, but it's possibility it could have been somewhere else. Definitely a craft store though, not online. All right, because I mostly buy my craft supplies actually in store. I don't purchase them online usually, unless I can't find it. Or there's a really great sale online. All right, so there we go. If you're new to the Happy Planner, yes, these pages are removable and you can put them back in. You just have to be careful as you're removing them because, I have torn these, but only once or twice in 3 years. So that's good. All right, so I put my washi tape down ahead of time just to get it all down. My hands are freezing, by the way. I don't know why my hands are so freezing, but hopefully they will. Usually they are really cold during the day in winter, so. Also, forgive me, I think I'm losing my voice a little bit, but that's okay. All right, so let's see. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's kind of got a blue background with a rose gold foil. I actually really like that. I think the blue would look really nice because blue still reminds me of that wintry feel. So I think I will use blue today. I don't think we've actually used the blue, have we? We've used a couple stickers in here. Thank you to one of my very dear friends on this channel who sent me the sticker book because I love it and I love using it. All right, yeah, you know what? I think we're going to use blue today. Okay, so I'm going to start in the beginning because there was some that I liked. Oh, we did use blue. This one had a blue outline, so we probably did use blue. I think I might use blue and peach today, so that'll be nice, I think. All right. So let's see, I'll put this one here. I know I have noticed that Happy Planner stickers, I don't know if they've remained the same or if the Happy Planner has gotten bigger boxes, but the stickers are too small for the boxes now. So I don't know. Let me know what you all think. I have a feeling they changed the Happy Planner. So old sticker books that I think this one was a few years ago, don't fit anymore, but it still looks great. You can use whatever stickers you want. It doesn't matter. So I'm glad about that anyway. So, and you can use any stickers that you want. It doesn't matter. All right, let's see. What else do we want? Let's use a couple of these hearts. These are cute hearts. And I'll use one here. And maybe I'll put one up here. There we go. All right, let's see what else do we want. I think I'll use this one. It says, shine the light, understanding and wisdom, God is light. Awesome, we'll use that one. Maybe I'll put this one over here. I think I'll put it a little lower. Put that one right there. Let's see, what else do we want? It does have washi tape. I didn't realize it had any, but I think that might be the only washi tape in here. We'll have to see. Let's put joy as well. Since we're working on both peach and blue, I think that'll look really pretty. So maybe I'll put that one over here. Yeah, I like that one there. All right, so let's see what else do we want from here. I definitely want to put some of these foil stickers. I like this one. It says, "It is well with my soul," and it's got that same floral. I like that floral. So let's see. It is a clear sticker, so I don't have to worry about it going over any other stickers because we'll be able to see it. I think I'll put it right here. It did go over my page, but I can always cut that part off. So I like that there. That's pretty. All right. Sorry about the glare. The kitchen's not the greatest place to film, but it's the only space that I have right now. All right, let's see. What else do I want? Maybe I'll put joy, because we do have joy, and this is like the pretty blue color. I'll put joy over here. Maybe I should focus on this week, on God's joy. That's actually one of my words of the year, so I think I'll put that in our focus this week. A lot of the times I put a sticker here because God points me to a sticker that just represents what I want to focus on this week. And I guess this week is joy. All right. All right, let's see what else do we want. Man, I'm freezing. All right. Actually, we are starting a Bible study this week. So I'm actually going to use my first Bible study sticker. And that is this week. So it's technically between it's on Thursday, but I don't want to use up any space. I think I'm going to put it just at the top here. But I could finally use my Bible study stickers. That's great. Awesome. Well, I definitely want to use some of these. These are pretty, so maybe I'll put one here. You know me and my flowers. I love my flowers. All right. Oh, there's itty bitty flowers. These are cute. I love these itty bitty flowers. What do I want it though? Maybe I'll put it up here. Just to put a couple of extra things up there. Maybe I'll put another big one on this side. Gotta make sure we have enough room to write too. So I always make sure that I have room to write. I don't write a lot, but it's always nice to have that space to write. All right. Let's see. Maybe I'll use another one of the little ones. Muff. So let me know if you have any prayer requests. You can always just say you need prayers in the comments. You don't have to write specifically what it's for because the Lord knows. Or you can always email me at katiefaithjournaling@yahoo.com. I always put it down in the description box as well. So you can always email me. Even if you just want to chat, you can email me. That's fine. And I'd love to talk with you. So prayer requests for me this week. What is going on this week? I don't know. I'm not sure. Usually I have like a specific prayer request, but this week I'm honestly not sure. So just pray for me, you know. If something comes to mind and God puts it on your heart to pray for me for that, then pray for me for that, because God knows what I'm going through and I don't know exactly what to pray for this week. So that's okay. God knows. All right, let's see. What do I want to do here? That's an awfully big sticker. Why did I take that off? It's so big. It is a big sticker, but I do like it. Is it gonna look funny layered? No, actually, I kind of like it there. All right, I guess we're doing that. All right, let's see here. We got some cute, it has read and trust. I think I'll use this little trust word. That's cute. Put that there. What else is there? There's pray. I think I want, there's no pray in like the light peach, really? That's okay. Okay, what else? Let's see. Oh, these are cute. I didn't realize there was like text boxes. That would have been nice, but didn't make room for that. All right, let's see what else we have. Oh, this is a cute. Let's use a peach one. Little peach text box. That's kind of cute. Maybe I'll put it over here. I'm not sure what I'll put on it, but we can put that over there. All right, let's see here. Oh, these are pretty. Do we have room? I do like these. These are pretty. It is a little getting a little excessive here, but I do like it, so I do want to use it. Just want to cover up any wording. There we go. Cute. I like that. All right. Is that crooked? Yeah, it is a little bit. Can I fix it? Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. You just gotta be careful. I think I can. Yay. All right. I'm gonna make that a little bit more straight. Just because the lines were a little crooked. That's a little better. Okay. There we go. All right. I think we are almost done today. So, let's see here. Oh, there's more letter boxes. Oh, these are cute. Oh, they did have some kind of like a aqua color. It's not really that blue-gray that I liked for today. I love the blue-gray. I think it's perfect. All right, I think we're actually good. I don't think I'll use any more in here. Let's see. Oh, they got these cute boxes, but I gotta remember to save room for, whoops, for writing and stuff. So we can't use everything, even though I'd like to, but let's put gratitude, because I do like to, let's see here. Ooh, I could put that there, because I don't use keywords, so I'm gonna actually use a sticker to cover that up. I wish I had more of these now, because that's actually a perfect sticker. I'm actually gonna put it, should I put it on both sides? Yeah, I think I will. I wish I had more, because I do use it for scripture reading plan. I do put the verses that I'm reading, but I don't use it for keywords. I use it for daily gratitude as well up there. So, yeah, I like that. I wish I had more stickers like that. I need to find a sheet of just gratitude stickers like that. All right, I think we are just about done here. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to use any of the other stickers. All right. So that is our page for today. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in our planner. I also have to catch up this week in my planner, so hopefully I'll be doing that as well. I promised myself I wouldn't do that. It's not working out so far this year, is it? That's okay. We'll try to get back on schedule. All right, so this is what it looks like this week. I think it turned out really cute. All right, so I hope you all have a wonderful day and a great week, and I will see you all in the next video.